Hello guys, and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. So in this video I'm going to be sharing you where you can get your key points for literature. All my art students, just gather here now and please share this video. All right, your key points for literature done by your literature I say your literature, yes, DTW online literature teacher. Okay, he has all your non-African poetry, African poetry. Can you see them here? The key points that you need to know about each one of them. All right, it's free on the DTW site. Look at it, dtwtutorials.com. All you need to do, just come, when you get there, come to academics, go to tutorials, then go to literature. When you click there, it now takes you here. Okay, and let us just enter one now, so you just see what I'm talking about. Okay, internet is a bit slow, dragging. Okay, yeah, so look at it here. Analysis, the good moral by what John Donne. Please, it's you guys that know how to pronounce this. Okay, let me quickly just drop this. So can you see it? The summary of everything, Cage Birds by Maya Angelou. Okay, can you see the key points that you need to know about all these texts? All right, you can get them here. And if maybe you don't want to be online and read, you can get the PDF. Okay, 92 page, everything about your literature in 92 pages. You can get the PDF here, and it just costs 500 naira. Look at it on the dtwedustore.com. all right, when you come here, just come to textbooks and edu materials. It will bring you here. Then you have here for literature. I also have for government, but I'm going to do that in another video. Okay, 500 naira. Okay, instead of you coming here, I've given it freely here. But if you don't want to be online, you want to just download this PDF copy on your phone and study. Okay, just come here and do it. All right, it's payment online. It's very simple for you to do payment. If you're having any difficulty with the payment, all you need to do, just WhatsApp us. There's a WhatsApp button you see even when you're on your phone. WhatsApp us. But it's very easy to pay online, but you can contact us if you're having any issues. Okay, so please go here, study, and when you finish studying, make sure you get the DTW Jamb CBT app to practice all your past questions there. Okay, can you see it? Can you see all the summary? I'm just going down one. All right, all these are in the PDF. All right, and here, this is the last I think it ended here. Then here you can get your DTW Jamb CBT app to practice all those questions and prepare for your exam. All right, the CBT app is a timed interface that would help you manage your time and practice all your past questions. So this is where you get your literature key points. All right, now don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for he's the way, he's the truth, and he is the life. He's coming back soon. And from us, from DTW Tutorials, you are destined to win. All right, so this is where you get it, dtwtutorials.com. and if you want to get the PDF ebook, just come to dtwedustore.com and you just purchase it for 500 naira and you study. All right, so thank you so much. You are destined to win.